The age of technology is booming, and the manufacturing industry is becoming more technologically up-to-date. ALTRON auto machine technology innovation, and continues to write technology quality. And our products and technology have always been at the forefront of the spinning industry, so that our spinning technology is always in the leading position, with production as the cornerstone. Based on shear spinning, expanding spinning, ordinary spinning, strong thinning spinning, closing spinning, spinning flanging and other crafts, we produces more than 30 types of CNC spinning equipment in 7 categories, including gas cylinder spinning machine, double wheel spinning machine, CNC spinning and flanging machine and so on. We can meet the needs of different industries and customers for metal spinning without chips. In order to ensure the quality of products, we have built a professional laboratory, including tensile testing machine, comprehensive test bench, laser collimator and other professional instruments to test. We always keep in mind the mission, never forget the original intention. We and our products have been highly recognized by the industry and society. We have successively obtained the CE certificate, ROHS certificate, WEEE certificate, automated programming training system, and various patent certificates. Our machines had exported to dozens of countries and regions abroad, and provide relevant professional equipment and technical service for hundreds of enterprises and units. We are adhering to the integrity of win-win business philosophy, and customers hand in hand, with the development of common destiny. ALTRON, always with you.